Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can learn left and right alignment on the same line on Microsoft Word. For example, I want to bring this one to right, just tap directly, it goes to the right location. Even when you change it, for example March, it still aligns with this line. If you want to learn, watch to the end. Now let's get started. Put cursor here, then click anywhere on the ruler. If you don't have ruler, just from view, check ruler. Okay, now you have ruler. Click here on the ruler anywhere, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, you can change the distance, for example 4 cm, and click here. Okay, now drag this one to here. Okay, if I just click tap, directly it goes to here. For example, I change this one to 3, it still aligns. Or I change it to September, it aligns with the right. But that's all. Have a nice time.